Hey, beautiful souls. Jeannie Lynch coming to you from the Intuitive Mindset. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you're someone who's been following me for, 21 years on this platform, I so appreciate you, and I'm so happy that you found me or you're coming back to this channel. So welcome 2026. Does it seem possible? On this channel, it truly is a spiritual hub for everything spiritual. But more importantly, I'd like to think, or my intention truly is, to build a community of people who are working with their own connection to their self, also maybe even helping other people heal. Or let's say you have a book or a modality or a process that you feel helps others. That's truly the intention of this channel. 20 years ago, when I went through my own spiritual awakening, which really started at the worst time in my life, like many people, were caused to look within and caused to find our own healing. Usually a pretty good theme for most people who do this work. They start with their own work first. Well, as you know, if you're doing this or you've been on that journey, you know that it never really ends. In fact, I'm dedicated to helping people on their journey through their life, right? Because there's always those ups and downs. Look at where we are right now in the world today. Did you ever think we would be here? And where is here, right? So this channel is all about helping you discover your own personal power, connecting with your intuition. I do a lot with mediumship. I love different modalities, the wackier the better, from human design to the chakra system to meditations to Buddhism. Love that. Kundalini yoga and color therapy and so on. In fact, check out my channel. You'll see there is over 20 different playlists and they're all organized for your convenience. If you'd like to collaborate in 2026, I'm so open, especially if you have a book or a process or certainly a modality. These are the things that you can reach out to me. You can use it through email or comment in this post. But I'm here to tell you that I'm dedicated to my work also, but to your work. And what does that mean for you? It's different for everybody. So I welcome you, and I'm glad you found me. And if you're back, I appreciate you. So we will see you in 2026. Let's do this work together. And in the meantime, let's get to work. I'll see you inside the Intuitive Mindset with Jeannie Lynch. Bye now. Namaste.